Good morning, everyone. How are you today? It is travel day. I am filming this at about 3:30 in the morning, and you'll probably see it at around 7 my time. But wherever you are, I hope that you are set to have a good day. Let's get on the road. It is a great day to be heading out. It is going to be a high of 79 here in Quartzsite today only. But after today, it climbs up into the 90s, and next week they're expecting at least 105 degrees. So it is a good day to be leaving. Plus, we're going to be doing 5 one-night hops. I think it's 5. We're going to Frugal's property in Texas and going to do some spring maintenance, and then head to our home base for a while, both of our home bases for a while in New Mexico before we go and do our summer gig, and I can't wait to tell you more about that. Right now, I want to share with you, you guys, look, I got this at the QIA. Isn't this the cutest little shawl? It's what's called a triangle shawl, and it's made of the same material that little Bandit's fluff blanket was. And so this feels like a hug from my sweet baby boy Bandit, and I just love it, and I had to have it, and so I got it, and it came with some matching gloves and everything. And so I feel like I'm in a Bandit hug this morning, and I just love this shawl. Here is the shawl when I'm riding that I usually wear. Isn't that hilarious? That is Finn. He crawls up and sleeps across my back just like that whenever I'm sitting for a long time riding. And I just love that. So I have 2 great shawls. I have my Bandit fluff blanket shawl, and then I have Finn that gets up there and sleeps like a shawl. So on Sunday, I didn't get a video up yesterday, you guys, because, I'm fixing to share with you why. But it's been a crazy 2 days. It's been fun. I will tell you, on Sunday, I went into town early, and I met with Kathy Decree, and it was so lovely to have her in town for a while, and she drove all the way from New Jersey in her bus. And here is her bus, and she let me do a tour. She is not finished with it yet, but she let me do a tour, so you guys are going to get to see the inside of her rig coming up on my channel soon. And we hung out for a little bit, and it was just really nice. But she has done it all herself, and she's not a carpenter or anything. She will watch YouTube videos on how to do something that she wants to do in her rig, and then she just goes and does it. It's just so amazing. And after that, a bunch of us met up at Beer Bellies, the adult daycare place, and we did this photo. It was fun. That's Cassandra Longband, and that's Cassandra on the left, and her husband Mike. And Cassandra is a character in my book Dominion, and she will be in the next 2 or 3 books as she grows up. And so it's always fun to have a real life inspiration for my characters in my books. And there's Kathy Decree, whose bus you guys are going to get to see, then me, then Dubs, then Jana, Frugal RV Gal, our new friend Kelly, and the Dan Van. And it was just a great way to spend the last Sunday in Quartzsite and get to see them. And that evening, we just had the best sunset sitting outside and enjoying it, and it's just been lovely weather to be able to do that and say goodbye to Quartzsite. And so that was a great day. And then yesterday, you guys, was all about packing up, getting ready to go, and Sean with Quality Mobile RV Repair. You guys, if you have anything that you ever need done on your RV, he's winding down for the season now. But even if you have something last minute like I did, he might be able to get you in before he heads out. But I think a lot of people will be leaving because of the weather, and then we just have to, we're only going to be in Texas at Jana's place and have like a 2-day window to work before it shoots up in there. So we're hitting it just right. But the weather always plays a part in our travels. And anyway, Sean came out, and I'm going to tell you what all he did. But this picture is of him getting ready. I had another 200 watts of solar put on my roof. So I now have 500 watts of solar on Phoenyx, which is wonderful. And that is Frugal RV gal, Jana, there in the background. And Penny, she headed to lunch to get a couple of last minute, to town to get a couple of last minute things done, and picked us up lunch. That's what I was trying to say. So here is Sean's dog, Luna. She's just so lovely. I just love her. And of course, she's standing in my rig, and I was like, "You gotta let me in." And of course, she did. She was just greeting me and saying hello. And Finn and Luna played so much. Look at that. That's just a picture of like a 2-minute clip that I got. Can y'all see that good enough? Let me get that a little bit bigger for you. Look at those two. Just playing, and have to leave Finn on lead even to play, because I just don't trust that he won't run off yet, because he's just not 100% sure about this nomad life yet, and so I don't want him to get scared and run off. So, but they had such a great time. So, had the solar added, and had a water. So over the weekend, I texted Sean, and I said, "I know you're coming out to do my solar, but I just got a water leak, and found a water leak, and also I can't open my refrigerator door. I need you to take care of those two things, even if you don't have time to do my solar install. I have to have those two things taken care of." And so Janet found where the leak was, and so he came out, and he fixed the leak, had to put in some new water line junctions and everything, and he fixed my water leak, and he and Jenna figured out how to switch out the hinges on my refrigerator door, because Norcold, evidently, which is my 3-way refrigerator and freezer, they have gone out of business, and they're closing their doors. They're filing for bankruptcy, which is so sad. There are so few manufacturers now of good RV refrigerators that are, and especially the ones that are that can do propane, DC, or electric. They're just getting few and far between, but they were able to get it fixed without me having to, because I'm not going to be able to replace this one with parts. I can get a whole new door, but even that is expensive, and of course we're leaving, and he wouldn't be able to install it. But they fixed it. They got it figured out. And another thing that he worked on was this is an anode from my water heater. Can y'all see the one in his right hand, the lower part of this picture? And let me see if I can get that a little bit bigger for you too. Yeah, see that? So that lower one is what mine looks like, and that top one is that thicker one. Is what it started off like, and what it is supposed to look like. He was saying you should really check those anodes every 6 months to a year. I've had that poor water heater for 2 years. And so look at that. I mean, it just is just totally, it's gone. There isn't any anode left on it. And my anode had no nodes. So he drained my water heater and switched out the anodes and everything. So he had like 4 major things to do, and then he had some electrical work to do on Jana's for her quick disconnects, and the communications between the truck battery and the house battery, and beyond me, but y'all watch for her channel on what all he did for her. So I'm very grateful to get all of that done, and probably worked on packing up and everything from about 7:30 yesterday morning till about 5 last night. But it was all good. It was a good day. Got it all done. I'm ready to roll this morning, and just wanted to say hi, let you know that I'm going to have my QIA video coming up. I'm going to have the work that Sean did, and the bus tour. And so I've got some things coming up, but mostly I'm fixing to get on the road and get ready for this day. Oh, I wanted to share too, last night, look at this. So I think this got posted on social media a lot, but that rainbow was just phenomenal. And what a wonderful last night to have in Quartzsite. It was fabulous. It's raining. I walked out in the rain and took that picture, but what a perfect picture for us to end the season on. So I'm going to hit the road today and get up and get ready and get going. And I'm actually going to stop off at the new car wash in Quartzsite and wash Phoenix before we hit the road. So I'm getting up and getting going a little bit earlier even than usual. Hope you have a great day, everybody. I'll see you on the next video. Keep on keeping on. Bye.